Hello, sunshine.
Yes, Bobby.
Where are we going?
So today is where we're going to Jetski. We will do Jetski today, guys. So it's my first time. I hope I will know how to boom, boom, boom.
Wow, so cool.
And I'm excited also to jump here in the pool later. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.
Hi, Shane. Where are we?
We are in Paradise Island Resort here in Samal, in Kaliklik, Samal Island Resort. So now is we are in the toll of Bill Carsey Hobby Shop. And of course, so we will rent a jet ski here, and hopefully they have two available jet ski because we're planning to rent two for my brother and for my hubby. I just only ride the back. So can you show the view for them, honey, please?
Hello, sunshine.
Hi, Bobby.
Ah, feeler.
Yeah.
This is one to increase climb papaya tree.
Yeah. Now she feels she's a good climber. Ah,
When I climb the papaya tree on the top is getting small,
yeah.
the branch. Then I climb it because have a ripe papaya, and then when I'm on the top, the papaya slowly boom.
Oh no. Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, 1 week didn't go to school. I have a sprain.
Ankle sprain?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Do you
sunshine.
have a pocket?
Okay, honey. Here
What's
we
the
are.
purpose this one?
Look at sunshine. Look at sunshine.
First time.
First time driving us. Sunshine.
Can I go here?
Yes. Go. Wow, so cool, sunshine. Give it some gas, huh?
Yeah, I did.
There we go, sunshine.
This is so fun, Abby.
So cool, huh?
Yeah.
Are we allowed to go past the buoy, honey?
Yeah.
We are?
Oh,
I don't know. I don't speak Bisaya. I only speak English. So.
yeah, that's what he said. I think no, because it's
Shiny.
snorkeling.
So cool, so shiny. Are you having fun, honey?
Yes, I think it's super fun.
Rookie driver, huh?
Wow.
So cool, huh?
Wow, so cool is happening.
Slow. There you go.
you go. Yeah, you have to go slow when you turn, or else you're gonna tip us over. So cool, huh?
Why so many Jetski available here?
I don't know, honey. Maybe they belong to a different company. Wow, sunshine Albuna. So cool.
Oh, I love this hobby. Thank you for this experience, honey.
Sure. So cool, huh? What did he say about the buoys, honey? What did he say about the buoys?
About that one?
Yeah, what did he was
We will
explaining?
not go out because someone don't snorkeling.
Oh,
Nice go ba? I don't know.
careful of the...
Wow. Wow! Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog! So fun! Wow! I wanna go down to sleep. Wow! Wow! Gawas. Sa gawas kaya, sa gawas. Over ano?
kanang pula. Mugawas at
Gawas dira.
gawas at dira.
Sulod may ganihan na misunderstood mo si kuya.
Gawas nga.
Kailangan gawas.
Part dili di sulod. Okay? Kailangan malagpas.
Oh, lampas.
Dito lang sa gawas dagan-dagan. Kita naman ang buya, sir. Pag-ulo ka pala yun.
Proper pigi?
Basta
Fish?
straight, sir. Gawas pagsunod. Straight na po. Okay, sir. Start, sir. Okay, gas.
Bye!
Sir, makuha niyo control. Ha? Primero, ina-edit sa para makuha niyo control. Pagpapusok na, pagpakuha niyo.
Ingat!
Tama, di ba?
Oh.
Sabor, ba?
Ya?
Sabor, ba?
Panabu mi ah.
So cool. Super cool. You want me to take a photo?
Okay, explore natin. Minutes na lang. Bago na na time na.
Sunshine wave with algae, huh? So cool, algae. Look at him, honey. He's full gas. Hi, Sunshine. Are you having fun, Sunshine?
So much fun.
Wow. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Oh, I miss their honey.
Where's Baloydoy, huh?
They're in the ship. Behind.
Oh, yeah. Look at LG way out there. Behind the ship. So cool. Super cool, LG. Honey, did you hold the puffer fish?
Yeah, I did earlier.
So cool, huh?
Yeah.
Just a small baby one. They get bigger. Maybe the size of a big fish. Oh, yeah. He's big. Super big. No, you can't.
Well, this way on the other side. Maybe I go there, you're going to get there.
Go this way.
I don't know, have a way here. Earlier we go this way. Supportive mother.
Take the ID back, right? Take the ID back.
ID? Yeah, to guard the receipt. Do you like her hand? Oo, kita. Ayun yung tiyak. I think so. Let's see later. They're so big. The peacock. Hi, peacock! Hello! Hello! Hi! Hi, peacock! Lovebirds.
African lovebird here, I guess. And these little ones are parakeets.
They're so cute. I think I'm at home. Good afternoon. Where's the slide?
Philippine python.
Ah, so little.
Yeah, tiny.
Crocodile Park so big. It's a poop. I think it's a poop. Shuttering lorry. What? Bro?
Super smart fish.
So we can go this way or we go that way so that we can finish all the birds. Oh, that's Merlin. Hi guys, right now we're done do jet ski. So now is we're going to eat, and we don't know where we're going to go now. Hi Bobby. Hi my brother. How's the feeling, Algie? It's fun?
Super,
Yeah.
Sobra.
Happy. Enjoy the jet ski. So stress free.
And catching the puffer fish was
Yeah, and catching the puffer fish. It's nice, the Paradise Island Resort. So if you have time, you can visit here, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.
cool. Like, comment, subscribe.
Sure. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.